For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
BJP workers are staging a protest against the death of Bengal BJP MLA Devendra Nath Roy. Devendra Nath Roy was found hanging at a shop near his home on July 13th. Police presence has been ramped up in sensitive areas. The Saffron Party workers have started demonstrations on roads in parts of North Bengal. The workers were seen sitting on the streets in the wee hours of early morning. Several North Bengal State Corporation buses were attacked and vandalized by the workers. The cops were seen dragging the protesters from the spot. The BJP workers were seen flouting social distancing norms. The protesters were also seen without masks amid the COVID-19 crisis. The BJP delegation led by Kailash Vijayvargiya will meet President Ramnath Kovind today. The delegation would apprise the president about the deteriorating law and order situation in West Bengal. They will also hand over a memorandum over the mysterious demise of BJP MLA Devendra Nath Roy. West Bengal BJP State President Dilip Ghosh stated that they are going to stage a protest even in front of all the police stations. Today we have called Bandh in North Bengal, upper portion from Farakka. Protests will be done in center points of every district against this murder and violence. Tomorrow we will protest in front of all police stations in Bengal. This will be a token protest against the political violence, murder and torture of BJP workers. The BJP workers staged a rally from its headquarters in central Kolkata's Murlidhar Sen Lane. The protesters were also seen holding placards and shouting slogans against the TMC government. The BJP workers said that they are protesting in a peaceful manner.
हम लोग आज सुबह से निकले हुए हैं, हर एक सरकारी दफ्तर पूरे बाजार एरिया में सब जगह बंद करवा रहे हैं और इसका आम जनता हमें सहारा भी दे रही है। अभी आपके सामने हम टर्मिनस में यहाँ बंद करवा रहे हैं। हालांकि पूरी प्रशासन आप देखेंगे आंसू गैस, लाठी, इतने बड़े बड़े डंडे लेके आए हैं, पर हम बीजेपी वाले शांति से बंद करना चाहते हैं।
The workers said they will not allow any vehicles to ply.
शांतिपूर्वक आंदोलन करेंगे, हम लेट जाएंगे, ये हमें डंडे से मारेंगे चाहे अरेस्ट करें, पर हम कोई भी उल्टा काम या कुछ गलत गतिविधि नहीं करेंगे। ना हम पत्थर मारेंगे, ना हम डंडा मारेंगे, ना हम लाए हैं। हम शांतिपूर्वक लेट जाएंगे और किसी भी गाड़ी को आगे जाने नहीं देंगे।
BJP accused the TMC government of unleashing terror across the state. BJP MLA from Ahmedabad, Devendra Nath Roy, was found hanging from a ceiling outside a shop on July 13th. Cops say that they found a suicide note from his shirt pocket. BJP has demanded a CBI inquiry into the matter. The BJP workers have alleged TMC's hand in the murder of the BJP MLA. The Union Minister of State for Women and Child Development, Debashri Chowdhury, pointed that Devendra Nath Roy was called out of his house late in the night. Devendra Nath Roy was a Communist Party of India leader and switched over to BJP after he won Ahmedabad seat in 2016.